Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty of actually developing and start implementing and creating our project in code, let's have a brief overview of what exactly Maven is. So Maven is a build management tool, so it enables you to easily create Cucumber or automation frameworks more easily. Within a Maven project, we have the heart file, which is also known as the POM file, and the POM file enables us to download the relevant resources and files that we need to get our project up and running. So the good thing with a POM file is that we update code within the POM file, and therefore this enables us to download the relevant files easily by just inputting some code within the POM file itself. So for example, if you need to download Selenium Webdriver, which is an essential building block that we'll need, we'll input specific code within the POM file, and in turn that will download the relevant files from the web. As you can see there, you can see example code, also known as dependencies. So within the POM file itself, we add these dependencies, whether it's Cucumber dependencies, WebDriver, etc. And what happens is when we input that into the POM file, we update our project, and in turn that would download relevant files from the web. Therefore, if there's any updates, we will change just the version number. So for example, if 3.3.2 is released, we just change the 1 to a 2 and update the project, and in turn that will download the files that we need for us. So what this does is it stops the old approach of creating a normal project and manually downloading jar files. So it stops a lot of the legwork and a lot of the hassle of individually searching for the relevant jar files we need and manually downloading them and adding them to our project. So the example website that is very popular is called this website link here. You can look for and search for any type of dependency, and in turn it provides you with the relevant code that you add to your POM file. And at the same time, you can also download the jar files manually if you wanted to. But the good thing with a POM file is that when there's an update, you only need to change one location. So if you've got 10 dependencies, rather than you manually going to the website every time and physically downloading the files, you just update the code within the POM file. And in turn, another benefit of Maven is that it enables you to continuously integrate your system more easily. For example, if we've got a Maven project here which comes bundled with the POM file, we can just point the actual project to Jenkins, and Jenkins can do all the legwork of downloading the dependencies for us. So in turn, we can either upload our project to an online cloud repo such as GitHub, and in turn Jenkins will just need to point to GitHub, and that will in turn download the files. So we can upload our project to virtual machines, and in turn every time that Jenkins executes a build, it points to the POM file and then it downloads the relevant files for us.